Hello, I hope you're having a really, really lovely day. If you're not having a really, really lovely day, like I said the other day, why not? What are you going to do about it to make yourself feel better? Don't wait for somebody else to sit around to see you being all glum. Do something about it yourself. And one of those things might be thinking about that too much selfie isn't healthy. Like we've been talking about all week in assemblies and in class, it's about concentrating on helping other people because when you help other people, you feel good yourself. So actually thinking about someone else will help you if you're not having a good day. And it also links to this: we all aim to be responsible local, national, and global citizens. Now, you might have this writing having appeared on your classroom wall. Some of the classrooms have got it. You might spot it around school as well. Okay, together we learn, grow, and dream. So you'll see this. But this idea of being a responsible local, national, and global citizen, if we think about our global goals, we can do that. But I wonder if there are things in other places, maybe animals, that think about being responsible citizens. Doesn't cost us anything. Helping somebody else helps us to be all of these things. It helps us to be happy, helps us to be enthusiastic, helps us to be polite. But actually, it also helps with our global goals as well. It gives, if we help other people, it gives us peace and justice. It gives us good mental health. If we help everybody, there's reduced inequalities. So we've got lots of different ways that we can help. It's not about getting a reward. It's actually about making other people feel happy so we have that peaceful place to live. Everybody's able to help. We're all able to do stuff. We could help with the dishes. We could help with the dusting. We could help with the cleaning. You could just put your shoes away at the end of the day. Even in nature, there are small creatures that help larger creatures. Now, this is a doctorfish. And doctorfish clean fungi like small growths that live on bigger fish, and they eat these things off the bigger fish. Pretty incredible, isn't it? Imagine having to do that when you're thinking about your mum or dad and cleaning the fungal growths from their feet. It's not a nice thing, but actually with a fish, it's great. Then there's birds that eat parasites, blood-sucking insects. So in this case, we've got a rhino and we've got the bird. Now have a look on the back of the rhino there. Okay, this bird is really quite amazing. It's called an oxpepper bird, a red-pilled oxpepper, and it will ride on the back of a black rhino. And the birds are best known for feeding from ticks, parasites that grow on the skin, or other parasites on the rhino's hide. And the oxpeppers are also kind of work like an alarm bell, which helps the rhinos to escape from poachers. So if there's predators or poachers, then the oxpepper will make a really shrill noise because rhinos don't see things very well. So these two animals live together, and by helping each other, the rhino pretty much providing the food, and the oxpepper getting rid of the parasites from the rhino, but also shouting out when there's a predator nearby, means that they live together in that peace and harmony. It's pretty clever. It's pretty amazing the way the world works. Now, we've got all sorts of different people around the world who help us. Some people are paid to do it. I'm paid to help you guys. Your teachers, your teaching assistants, the adults in school are paid to help you. But it might be people who save lives, like doctors and nurses, paramedics and ambulance drivers, people who face danger to help others, like soldiers and sailors, pilots in the RAF, firefighters, police officers. And some people work right the way through the night while the rest of us are sleeping. People who make sure that the electricity is working in our houses, carers for people in hospital or in homes, lorry drivers. And most get paid for what they do. And I'm glad I get paid for what I do, but actually I really enjoy working with you guys. I really enjoy looking after you guys. It's a lot of fun. So we choose to do this stuff because we enjoy it. So it's about everybody thinking about those global goals. So I choose to be a head teacher because that's about partnership for the goals. So there's a line from the Bible. The line from the Bible is, being kind to others helps us too. It's from the book of Proverbs. And I know that because I really love my job, if I come to work, it helps me. I feel good about it. I know that I enjoy being with children and being in a school. I know that Mr. Bounds really enjoys being with his class. He really likes being with them. They're really nice people. So these things are all really important. They help our mental health and well-being. So just like the red-billed oxpepper will help the rhino, and the rhino provides the food, you guys help us to feel better. You're going to go home and you're going to put your clothes, put your shoes away or your coats away when you get in. Hang your bag up, not leave it on the floor. You might help mum and dad take things from the to the table at tea time, or help wash up. You can do all these things. You might help a friend on the playground, and it helps you to feel better as well. Helping to make the world a better place, thinking about our global goals. And if we do that, we can be responsible local citizens. Okay, so some of the things we can't do easily. I can't change things in the country, in the world easily, but I can help my local community. You can do the same as well. You can help things locally for you. You can make a difference. So let's see if you can make a difference today and this weekend. Have a lovely weekend. Make sure you help others and come back to school ready for another fantastic week on Monday. See you soon. Bye-bye.